yeah, man, I woke up at like 3:15, so I got like a little bit less than 3 hours of sleep, and now I'm headed to Bellevue. I have class at like 11, which means I basically need to go straight from this pop-up shop to class. On the plus side, I have not finished the reading for that class yet, so I'm just gonna do that while I stand in line for the next, 4 or 5 hours. Anyways, if you guys are not familiar with what is dropping, I will show you guys in a moment, but I think this North Face collection is super dope. I think it was kind of weird how Nordstrom was like, oh, it'll be available for a month online from these dates, and then like, I don't know. I mean, maybe they didn't expect it to have this much hype or as much hype as it does. However, it's not going to be available for a month. In fact, the Mountain Park is already sold out this morning, and now I'm headed to the store to hopefully grab 3 of them. Oh, they're so sick. I'm going to show you guys when I get there, so I'll see you in a moment. Okay, so I have arrived at Nordstrom's, and yeah, I'm currently FaceTiming with the homie, Harrison Neville. Shout out to the bro, Harrison. Definitely one of the dopest YouTube channels in the game. You know what I'm saying? I got the dopest Instagram in the game. He's got the dopest YouTube in the game. It's just like, bro, if you don't follow him on YouTube and you don't follow me on Instagram, you need to change your life right now. Follow me on Instagram, follow him on YouTube. Anyways, so currently I am at Nordstrom's. There's no one here. I've been here for a solid like 2 hours and some change, and I'm the only one. And hopefully it stays like that. I don't really mind. Like, honestly, I was thinking about coming here to stay the night and just sleeping here. But then I was like, you know what? I don't think it's going to be that serious. And I'm glad that I didn't. But even if I would have, I could have been here for 2 days. And if no one showed up and I still got everything I wanted, I'd still be happy as long as I walk away with these mountain parkas.
You're going to cut that out.
What? The word? Oh, yeah. I'll just bleep it, I'm going to leave this whole conversation in. I don't give a fuck. But I'm just going to bleep that out so I do give a fuck, Anyways. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? 10 minutes, baby. Yeah, we gotta hit that, baby. You know what I'm saying? This is how I make my living. Chill. Anyways, so, oh yeah, probably, maybe. I don't know. Hey, camera.
Has a demonetization issue, so if you see 4 or 5, I think he's gonna start doing 10 ads. Please don't trip. He doesn't get ads all the time, so just let him do his thing.
Guys, I really want to do 10 ads, but like, I don't, but I do. Like, I do because, oh man, money is going downhill right now after the holidays, but it is what it is, man. We're gonna keep making videos, and regardless, even if we're not making videos, we're gonna take some fire pictures on Instagram. But anyways, yeah, man, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Hopefully I can get some stuff, and then hopefully I can show you guys that product in this video. I ordered some online last night, but I'll get into that in a moment. So I'll see you guys in 3 hours. It's been 3 hours since I last recorded here. I'm currently waiting. There's only one other person waiting with me, so it's looking good. It's looking pretty promising. There's not a line, which, I mean, I don't know. I guess I probably shouldn't have expected there to be, but just with the sellout times online, I was thinking like, there could be a line. It sold out pretty quick. Luckily for Washington, we have 2 locations. So we have a Seattle location and a Bellevue location. So maybe everyone's at the Seattle location, or maybe no one's lining up, and I'm just really dumb for coming here at 3 in the freaking morning. Anyways, we need them to open this gate. Okay, so real quick, before we get into the discussion of these garments, of the clothing that I picked up a couple pieces. I just need to say that that was the best experience I have ever had when it comes to a clothing release. And you guys know I don't mind camping out, right? I've camped out with plenty of stuff before, you know, but like nothing has compared to that experience. That went so well. The customer service was great. The fact that like Sam took his time. Sam was one of the managers that came out and was like, yo, are you here for the pop-in North Face? And like he came over and was just like, yo, like what do you need? You know, like I don't know, man. I'm gonna explain all that once I show you guys the stuff, once I get home and unbox, not really unbox, but unbag it, whatever. But I just need to stress that to you guys while it's fresh in my mind. That was just an amazing experience, and I'm just so extremely appreciative of Nordstrom's and like the people that work there for handling that so well. So anyways, let's get back home and show you guys what I picked up. Okay guys, so we are back at my humble abode. Let me just get that right in frame for you. And I lied, we do have some stuff to unbox. That is probably the fastest shipping I've ever seen any company do in my entire life. Not literally, but it was like 2 days. That was pretty quick, especially because I'm pretty sure shipping was free. I don't know if they sent someone like personally to deliver this, but the dude came at like 9:45 in the morning. I thought it was like a hitman or something trying to kill me, because I don't know why someone would come ship something at 9:45 in the morning. Normally people come here at like noon, or like the postal service comes here at noon. But it is coming from downtown Seattle, so maybe that's why. Anyways, so at the pop-up shop, I purchased the mountain parka. I purchased, well, here, I'll just show you guys what I got. I got the hoodie, I got the Sherpa, and I got the mountain parka, of course. This was the mandatory piece that I needed. Now, I will say that was an amazing experience. So essentially what happened, I was kind of like excited and also like in a hurry when I was explaining it in the car, but I just want to say like huge shout out to Sam, huge shout out to everyone at Nordstrom's. Basically, I was the first one there by a long shot, and Sam saw me. I don't know what time he got to work, but he got to work super early. Like it was I don't even know if, I'm sure it was like 5 o'clock, maybe 6 o'clock. I don't know. Maybe I'm just thinking it was that early, but it felt like he was there so freaking early. And he was like, yo, are you here for the pop-up? I told him yes, and he was like, you know, what is it that you want? What is it that you need? Basically, he was just making sure that since I was the first one there, that I got what I wanted, regardless of how hectic the line got, right? And to be honest, when he asked me, I thought he was going to forget. So I still rushed in there. You know, by the time I got there, there were like more people gathered on the other entrance, and there was probably like 4 or 5 people where I was, and then there's probably like, I think 10 at the other entrance probably. But anyways, everyone rushed in there, and it was kind of hectic. I would have gotten what I wanted no matter what, but I wouldn't have gotten the yellow one because there was only one yellow medium. By what I heard, they were extremely limited, and they had to send some back to North Face. So the yellow ones were extremely limited. In fact, there were no larges. I originally asked for a large because I heard they fit kind of small, but they ended up fitting pretty true to size, to be honest. This piece fits me good. In fact, if you guys want to see how it fits on, make sure you go follow my Instagram. My Instagram's at the start. There'll be some on the screen and in the description below. I already posted one fire picture in this. I'm going to post some more. But yeah, so basically this is the mountain parka. This is the piece that probably has the most hype. As you can see, they have this North Face patch right here, and you have this little flower growing from the North Face patch. On top of that, one thing that I think is really dope about this piece is the fact that you have all these little like tonal graphics. So it's not too loud, but it's definitely, it definitely pops more than a normal North Face. Like this piece is sick. I love the yellow one too, because these graphics just like, they just kind of shine. Like these are so sick. It's made of like a jacquard material. Of course, it's North Face. You know the quality is good, and I'm just stoked to have this mountain parka. One thing I really liked about the pop-up, and just one thing in general that I thought was kind of cool, was like they sold out online, no problem. They didn't need to have a pop-up, but that's something that they did, and they obviously made that little corner of the store. They put like these little installations up. They had explanations of all the pieces, and I just thought that was kind of cool that, I don't know, they kind of just discussed the history of each piece in like a brief like sentence or two. Now another piece I copped was this large Sherpa right here. Now this is a woman's thing, or a woman's piece that was kind of sold as being unisex. Now that being said, I copped this in a large. I kind of wish I would have got an extra large. They fit pretty slim. This still fits me, but the medium definitely is not going to fit, and I have a medium as well. I ordered a medium. I saw the description afterwards, and it said to size up, and I was like, dang, I should have sized up. So I got a large once I got to the store. Either way though, this piece is super sick, so soft. As you can see, you got the kangaroo pocket right here. Zipper kangaroo pocket, so it's better than normal. The North Face Nordstrom little pop-in patch right there. Half zip, super comfortable. And yeah. Now the next piece that I acquired from the pop-up shop is this hoodie. As you can see, you got the North Face Nordstrom collab graphic or whatever stitched in on the left chesticle right there. This is a clean essential hoodie. It's nothing crazy. It's nothing loud. There's no other graphic anywhere on this. These were actually only $50, which is not a bad deal for a hoodie. Like, I was actually pretty surprised with most of the pricing. The mountain parkas were $400, which is a little bit expensive. The Sherpas were like $160, which I understand, and then these were like $50. But some of the other stuff too was like, it was pretty reasonably priced. Now, getting into this package. I don't know where my knife is. Why does it have this? Oh, whoa, okay, I'm pretty hyped on that. I don't know why. So I saw this little metal thing right here, and I was like, what is this? It's like a garment box. Like, you can see, like, they put it in here, and they put the hanger through the box. That's kind of tight, actually. Anyways, as you can see, we have the medium Sherpa right here. This one I will be returning because obviously I have the large Sherpa, so there's really no point in me keeping it. I also got 3 hats. Now, I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna like sell one. I mean, they might have some in stock right now. You guys can go check. I'll leave a link if they do down in the description below. If they don't, then I might end up selling one on Robitussin and Poppy. But anyways, as you can see, I got a black one. And I'm going to keep one for myself, obviously. That's mandatory. Then I got the cream one. It's like a creme de la creme with like a khaki embroidery right there. And then another black one. Oh, you know what I could have used to unbox it? I could have used this. I forgot that I bought this. So this is like a little Swiss Army knife. As you can see, you have like a little filer, little blade right there, and some skizzers, you know. But yeah, a little Swiss Army knife, a little North Face Swiss Army knife. You can see the little North Face tagging right there. I'm not sure if it's going to focus, but the last thing that I acquired is this piece right here, which you guys might have seen in the little lookbook video thing that I did, the little edit that I included. But this is just like a little neck gaiter, you know. You know, had to get the Sherpa neck gaiter. That way I could wear it with the Sherpa hoodie when I'm hiking and stuff. This would be a good little underlayer. I feel like it probably looks kind of weird when I'm wearing a t-shirt with this. But yeah, man, overall I think the pop was dope. I think a lot of the stuff was really cool. I think the collection was so sick, and I'm just extremely excited and grateful that I even got one of those North Faces. Like, oh man, that was so dope. Thank you everyone at the Bellevue Nordstroms for just handling that very well. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and as always, keep living the star life.